Yesterday I stayed at Lagodechi for a day at the guest house because it was raining. It was bucketing down. I didn't want to go on the road. It was pissing down. So I stayed here for a day, arranged my visa and the ferry tickets from Baku to Aktel later on. But today, hopefully, I'm going over the border into Azerbaijan. Looking forward, new country, new adventures. This is still Georgia, and over that way is Azerbaijan, and I'm looking forward. New country, new adventures. Yes! Woo! I am back in Georgia again, and the reason why is that they wanted to confiscate my drone. Yeah, so I went from Georgia into Azerbaijan, and they were friendly people, the good blokes, and I had a chat with them, and the bags had to go through the X-ray scanners, and straight away they asked me, do you have a drone? And I said, yes. And she said, well, it is forbidden, you're not allowed to have it here. But I've been reading on internet that it wasn't a problem. So to make a long story short, I had two options: or they will confiscate the drone, or going back to Georgia. I took the second option. I turned around, got my passport, driving license, got everything back, and went back to Georgia. Went back to the guest house, got my drone out, left it at the guest house, and now I'm trying again to go into Azerbaijan. Wish me luck. It took me about a whole morning, but I am in Azerbaijan, as you can see. Yeah!